Welcome to Winning Products.
The trade video going to guys new product called pet brush comb, play card, toy card, corner self grandma massage comb with catnip, cat face, scratcher for kitten, puppy, cat accessories. This is a winning product because it's an improved and updated comb to keep your cat's fur around the body clean, organized. It has 4.8 service and AliExpress with 851 reviews, with 281 orders. For new users, I suggest when discussing the price, if you want to really sell this product, you negotiate with the list on AliExpress, which is a fashion pet store. They've been on AliExpress since April 22, 2021. You can negotiate with them by send them a text message, how serious you are to negotiate on the price, and minimum order quantity, and possibly if you decide to white label this product. It comes with different color variation: black, orange, gray, red, pink, light blue, blue, green, new blue, new pink, new gray. She can ship to United States. Free shipping from China to United States via Canon Super Economic Global. Spent deliveries on June 7. That free shipping from China to the United States via Canon Super Economic Global. Spent deliveries on June 7. Now let's check other shipping. Okay, free shipping to the United States via AliExpress. As you can see, shipping is 2.93 USD from China to United States via AliExpress standard shipping. Spent deliveries on May 6. The market strategy to sell that product, you use US UK TikTok pet influencers. You also use Google search ads. You also use YouTube search ads. That is for the market strategy. That is going forward. You should also use YouTube video ads, and you should also use US and UK Facebook ads. And for the proposed trade result for the pet brush comb play cards, the supplier price, you can negotiate that with the supplier on AliExpress. Total shipping and costs, which is paid, is 2.93 USD. The selling price is 14.99 USD. Check the AliExpress link for this product in the description of this winning products YouTube channel below.
If you find this video helpful, please like. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification button to all so that you can get updated each time we publish a new video. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something in this video to decide which product to sell now.
If you are interested in other winning products topics like how to write a product description, how much does dropshipping business cost, how to name your dropshipping store, among other topics, please click any of the pop-up videos currently showing on your screen. Thank you.